I'm here to watch because.
I think you should not drink the water. Just don't.
Don't have water.
Swallow.
Just don't have stuff in your mouth.
Swallow, okay?
Ready?
Okay.
I love you.